a situation whereby innocent school children in Oyo and Borno states have been in the custody of criminals for several weeks now. We are also protesting injustice meted out to young people who are regularly arrested on the highways by the police. We are also protesting hunger in the land. We are protesting poverty in the land. And we are calling on the government that there is no basis for poverty in Nigeria. Our country has enormous material and natural resources and capital resources to make our people happy. 2 weeks ago, we sent a letter to the government of Nigeria to recover the sum of $120.5 billion. If this money is recovered, we have no business taking loans from anywhere in the world. As we are gathered here, or yesterday, the Senate of the Federal Republic was in turmoil because the NNPC has not been able to explain what happened to the sum of 210 trillion naira. Wow! The committee of the Senate has summoned the former GMD of NNPC, Mr. Mile Kyari, but the full house, headed by Godswill Akpabio, he said yesterday that the committee has no power to summon the big man. And the Senate apologized to him for embarrassing him. On our own part, we have written a letter to the Senate that we want a copy of the report where it is stated that 210 trillion cannot be explained. Again, if this money is recovered, that will be enough to fix our comatose hospital, our roads that have been turned into death traps, and provide jobs for young people. Therefore, this protest is also against the costly insecurity in our country. We are calling on the government as a matter of urgency to rescue the children that are in custody. Just imagine the primary school people, some of them just barely 2-3 years old, have been at the mercy of elements for the past weeks. Come rain, come sunshine, those kids are suffering. No medical attention, no food for them.
Yes.
And so for us as Nigerians, all of us are in custody, one way or the other.
Yes,
and we demand the immediate release of those children and their teacher. As you are well aware, a teacher has been beheaded in order to compel the government to move speedily to have those children released. Great Nigerians! Great Nigerians! We also want to thank you for coming out today to mark the June 12th anniversary. As you are well aware, there is no democracy in Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
What we have is civil rule.
Yes, sir.
Civilian administration.
Yes, sir.
The struggle for democracy must continue. So we thank you very much and for the media for coming. Great Nigerians.
Great.
Yes, you can go ahead.
I think everybody has the worsening insecurity. It's unbearable now. So many people being kidnapped, being killed. And it's like every day now there's a new one. there's Zamfara, there's Kebbi, there's Katsina, there's Kaduna, there's Plateau, the most recent in Oyo, and up until now, these kids still are not home yet. They haven't been able to reunite with their families. And on the flip side, in the same Oyo state, the former minister, Adelabu's sister, was kidnapped along with her twin children. Barely 72 hours after, they found a way to free them. They don't care about us. They don't care about ordinary people. But it must be known that no Nigerian life is more important than the other. Every single Nigerian life matters. Every single person must be cared for and protected at all costs. We're here to say, put an end to these kidnappings, put an end to these people. Schools are still open. Every single day, students are still being kidnapped. What is going on? This has to stop, and this must stop immediately.
The election data and a lot of people are almost giving up. Some of target of do you think this party will win?
I can't predict who's winning or who's not winning. I think from the general mood, I think we can see how people are feeling. I think we can see the discontent, the dissatisfaction with the way that they've managed their affairs. They've had ample time to show any willingness, any political will to make a difference. But it's clear that they do not want to. And we are going to go to the ballot to show how we fail. I personally believe in the democratic system. I believe in the democratic process, and I'm ready on that day to exercise my franchise. Democracy.